This podcast is sponsored by Pooks.ai. Dive into a revolutionary reading experience with personalized ebooks and audiobooks, tailored just for you. Discover your next favorite book at Pooks.ai for free. That's Pooks.ai.
Comparing adaptive learning, software for personalized education today. Discover how adaptive learning software tailors education to your needs and explore top options like Pooks.ai for personalized learning success. Adaptive learning software. Which one really stands out? Hey, have you ever wondered how some educational apps seem to just get you? Like they don't throw the same lessons at every user, but instead adapt to how you learn? That's what adaptive learning software is all about. And honestly, it's shaking up how we think about education. I wanted to chat with you about it today, share what I've learned, break down some popular options, and why they might actually make learning more fun and effective. So, first off, adaptive learning software uses AI to tailor educational content based on a student's strengths, weaknesses, learning pace, and even preferences. Think of it as having a personal tutor who's always paying attention to your progress and adjusting what you study to fit you better. This kind of tech is not just enhancing traditional classrooms, but also empowering personal learning environments where anyone can learn smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about some of the big players you might have heard about or even tried. Khan Academy. Most folks know Khan Academy for their free, high-quality lessons. Their adaptive system is straightforward, but pretty effective, especially with subjects like math and science because it tracks your practice and quizzes, offering challenges that suit your level. It's perfect for a self-paced learner who enjoys structured but flexible learning. Dreambox Learning. This one's a favorite in K-8 math education. Dreambox dives into student interactions so deeply that it can figure out not just what you're struggling with, but why. Its adaptive approach changes not just the questions, but the instruction style itself. So, if you're a visual learner, it might show you diagrams. If you're more hands-on, it offers different problem-solving tactics. Duolingo. You probably know Duolingo for language learning, but it's also a solid example of AI personalized learning. The app uses your mistakes, response time, and streak patterns to create a tailored daily lesson. It feels like a game, but with real adaptive feedback that helps you progress faster. Smart Sparrow. This one is a bit more behind the scenes, but super interesting for educators. It lets teachers build adaptive lessons that change based on how the student responds. It's like creating your own personalized education platform. While it's more geared toward institutions, its flexibility is worth mentioning. So after naming these tools, what's the actual difference in experience? Well, the best adaptive learning software creates a personal learning environment that respects how you learn best while keeping you engaged. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Rather, it feeds off your responses, adjusting the difficulty, delivery, and even content altogether based on real-time data. Here's something else that's fascinating. With AI in education becoming more advanced, these platforms can now predict when you might lose motivation or get stuck, offering nudges or encouragement right when you need them. This AI personalized learning turns what used to be a static process into a dynamic, interactive experience. Among all these options, one that's recently caught a lot of attention is Pooks.ai. It's incredibly user-friendly and uniquely blends adaptive algorithms with personalized book creation. Imagine turning your study or notes into a customized book so you can review effectively. Whether you're a student, teacher, or lifelong learner, Pooks.ai helps you shape your learning content to match your style. If you're intrigued by creating your own tailored learning resource, you should definitely check out Pooks.ai. It's an excellent example of how personalized education is evolving. The best part? You can create your personalized book now for free. It's a simple way to make the most out of your personal learning experience and keep your material organized for quick reference. To wrap it up, the world of adaptive learning software is rapidly growing and becoming more accessible. It's great for anyone who values learning at their own pace and wants their education to meet them where they're at. If you haven't tried any adaptive tools yet, maybe now's a good time to start experimenting because this is where education is heading, and it's pretty exciting.